So here we're showing a sanding video. Now this whole deck had to be sanded. There was some kind of residual varnish on this deck. It was actually stripped, and even after it was stripped, there was still a varnish that we had to come back and sand it off. So this deck is just about ready for staining. We'll show an after video of the staining. Cedar deck here with white rails, taped all the rails all the way around. Some brick, white rails, painted rails. Also cleaned up all the brick out here. So this deck has a 2-day window here. Dry weather, supposed to rain tomorrow night. But this is our opportunity to get this wood stained. Put 2 coats of a natural cedar. We're just showing the sanding here, the sanding video. Let's walk over here and show you what the deck looked like. This deck actually, so it still has this residue on it, that whatever product that was on there, we're removing it. Now you've got this beautiful wood showing, cedar wood, Daystar quality sanding video. You can find us on the websites godaystar.com and thedeckguy.com.